Hey everybody, welcome to Yardie's Kitchen. Yeah, Yardie TV. So today, I'm up on the road and I've been on the road all morning and I'm quite hungry. But I'm not the type of person where I don't buy food on the street like that. So I decided I'm gonna make a quick stop at the my local Aldi, and I'm just gonna pick up some stuff and see if I can make something real quick. I'm gonna head home and see if I can make something real quick. So this is a quick and easy. This is not gonna be one of those dishes that I do from scratch. I'm just gonna go in and pick up something and see if I can make something right quick at home. So come along on that journey with me now and see what can go on and see what we can get. Hopefully we get something nice and we can do something with it. Yes, I say, remember. Alright, so I'm in a local Aldi, and just as I said, a quick run in and run out. Aldi have good produce. Them produce is worth shopping here. It's worth shopping here, I promise you. You know? You just have to know where I pick up to get the best use of what them have. You understand? Yeah, if you're just smart. I know, so you not pick up anything. I may get some cashews. See the price for the cashew? $3.19. Not bad. I have peanut already at the house. Yeah, I'm gonna look some stuff right quick. Remember that. Alright, so I'm in the meat the vegetable section, because I don't really feel no meat thing right now. So I just grab some vegetables and any how it work. Cauliflower, $2.29. Grab some cauliflower. Grab some celery. Yeah. Some zucchini. Okay, I'll curry down some of them zucchini. So I grab some zucchini. Yeah, can curry down some of them zucchini. Just look for a pretty one, you know. Yeah, and we continue working. Okay. Baby carrots. Can take up maybe one baby carrot. Baby cucumber. These are good. I promise you, these are so good and crunchy and nice, right? And the price is 99 cents. Yep, so we took up more than one of these. As when the price is good, you take them up and you have enough of them. You eat them enough. For that, mushrooms are always good. You can take up the ones these that are sliced, or you can take up the whole ones. And them have portobello mushrooms. You can use them on the baby bella. I've used the baby bella a lot, but I don't like how they may look. So mushrooms, chayote squash. Could I make like a curry with all of them vegetables? Just curry them now and take up one. Dates are usually good. These are very good and extra sweet, guys. You can put them in a smoothie and them very good. Garlic, I have garlic. Green peppers, green beans, sorry. I don't really need them. I don't like how them look, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Over here you have Brussels sprouts, which are, this is always a good addition to any dish, any meal. You can stew them down, you can roast them, you can do a whole heap with them. Brussels sprouts. and the price is $2.45. Potatoes, plantains. You see them potato, you know? Them are the Jamaican sweet potato them. Alright, and the price of them is, I not even know. Oh, the $1.99 for this. $1.99. That's not bad, but at the same time, I don't really necessarily need it right now. And the white yam, so them call it neem. Neem. But them white yam are nice too. Yeah. Must be $2.69 for that. Yeah, I'm gonna need that right now. Circle the alright, this is very good, guys. Sweet potato $1.69, and then you can roast them, you can juice them. Yeah, them are nice to make juice, trust me. You can juice them. Yeah, I have some of the house I'm gonna really have to take up now whole for this. You have some fingerling potatoes, you could have take up some of them. Different color. Them now you just boil them up. As small as them is, you just boil them up. Let me see. Bite size potato medley, $3. Price the sort of steep still, petite yellow. Them are nice. And the price from them is $2.99. So yeah, potatoes get lower, you can take up. And potato good for you, no matter what them say, potato good for you. So make the baking potato these. And you can bake them, yeah, butter, gold. So you have options with the potatoes, but me pass them a little bit more still. See, rustic potatoes, right? Banana, cherry. Yeah, my wife and I love them cherries, so I'm gonna take up one cherry for you. I promise you, that's how you keep the wife happy. You take up cherry. Haha. Yes, when you take up cherry, she love you more. She said, "Oh baby, you're so nice." Yes. Rainier cherry. Oh, they made the cherry like we would know a yard from Jamaica. Them call them Rainier cherry. Them have golden berries over there, so. Peach, seedless black grapes. Let me say red grape, green grape. Then I see a black grape price. Excuse me. The black grapes is the same price as the red ones? Yes. Okay. So black grapes. Oh, I have grape at the yard. But them look so nice and black and pretty. I work with one. Now what me normally do is when the box look like it. Oh, you have to check underneath if you see no more. So when I see no more, it look like that alone left. That not good. That not good. This is probably the best looking one. Alright, so I got some grapes. Avocado. No, avocado doesn't look ready. Apple. Tomato. Got tons of tomatoes. My wife, like guacamole, you know. No, I'm afraid to take up avocado because something I carry them home and them don't ripe or them don't sweet. You know? I'm gonna know which is which. I have to read the paper, I have to see which. Avocado from Mexico. Avocado from Florida. Alright, so now I'm gonna look for something that I can use with my choices. Yeah, mushroom, asparagus. Let me see what kind of what kind of curry. Them have a very good curry in a like it named masala or something like so, where you can buy and it's already prepared. It's like an Indian version of the curry. So never look at me see that. And then when you have that now, you just basically pull the bottle of tea here. I look on these guys. See? I'll show you this. This is hot and spicy curry sauce. Jalfrezi curry sauce. So with these now, you know, really have to go through the process of you know, you just put the seasoning on the top into the thing and then pour the sauce in there. You see me? And the price is like that. So it really help you, you know. And then you have the one when you masala. Let me say the masala. Tikka masala. You have this one. Korma. Curry sauce. Mild and creamy. You have the one that we see already, which is spicy. You have see me can show you that one here, which is the one with me basically like the tikka masala curry sauce. So I pick up one of them here, and then I go just toss the vegetable in this and dinner. Remember me tell you, you know. So I'm gonna look around a little bit more in the store, see if I find anything else so I can put in my curry, you know, because it's like I want to do like a one-pot meal. I probably could put some buttered beans, Great Northern bean, kidney bean. I could have put kidney bean too, but I'm gonna put buttered beans, yeah, in my curry, and I'll show you when I'm cooking. Yes. All right. So I'm still hunting. Oh, ginger beer. Think I might buy one of these spicy brew. Yes. Ginger beer. Hallelujah. All right. I'm gone again. Another thing that I wanted to point out while I'm in here is the variety of alternatives to rice. If you're not a rice person, you have different alternatives. They have basmati rice over here, but this is what I want to show you. They have quinoa, they have the quinoa blend, they have couscous, they have pasta and all of that. And to them might use some quinoa or some couscous depending on what the wifey want. I probably would stick to the rice and you know, use that with the something I cook. But as I tell you, I'm gonna be doing something meatless but something good. All right. So here is my haul. Yeah, so get some stuff. All in all, if I never walk around the store for too long, but I spend probably about 10-15 minutes. But you know me already, I'm curious, so I end up spending a little more time than normal. And so, and that store they don't give bags, so it's always good to have your stuff together, you know. Yeah. Sorry for the mix up. I want and may use and thing, but I have my trusty organizer here, and pretty much just work with it like so. Yeah. You just put all your vegetables together, and I have a review on this, so I'm not gonna really show them much of this. So pack in my stuff and then head home, cook some food. You see me?